In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube. This content isn't available. Try again later. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. Okay, so first fix is to go ahead and clear cache and cookies. So click on three dots on Google Chrome, click into settings, click onto privacy and security. To the right, it says privacy and security. Click into delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Now we need to change some settings here. So under delete browsing data, make sure we set this to all time. Click on to show more, but only have cookies and other site data checked and cached images and files, and go ahead and click on delete data. Now another fix what we can try is click on to about Chrome, see if there are any Chrome updates, go ahead and make those updates if there are any available. Next fix is to head over to our extensions and click on to manage extensions, and from here we basically want to disable all extensions inside of here and then check if YouTube works. If it does, it is an extension related issue, so go ahead and enable these one by one to find out which extension is the culprit. Next fix is to go ahead and use a different browser, so I can go ahead and use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera. And now if it works on a different browser but not the one you're trying to get YouTube to work, we might need to go ahead and reinstall that browser.